ukuthi the nation, the isizwe bakithi is tired. Leyo ukuthi white people, it's between us and white people. It's between us and them. That is our own issue. Angendawo nini. Hey, when in South Africa, apartheid, we help you. Aibo guys, did we sell drugs during those times in your countries? Did we do human trafficking? Did we create fake churches, fake prophecies? Did we do what you are doing in our country? How long did we stay there? Or how long did our forefathers stay there? Did they stay for 21 years? Hi guys, wake up and smell the coffee. Go home. Go and fix your own country. Guys, we've got our own issues. Nothing, we need a meeting to solve our own issues. All departments, government, because are tired, are exhausted because of you. You are men, your wives are giving birth each and every year. Guys, we are tired.